What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Eddie with DIY Basics. Today I want to go over these wire strippers. A buddy of mine gave them to me a few years back, and let me tell you, these are a game changer when you're doing electrical work and you just don't want the headaches of dealing with the traditional wire strippers that you got to figure out which slot to put the wire in depending on the gauge, and you know, if these numbers are kind of small, so if you can't see or you're working in poor light conditions, it could be a little bit of a pain in the butt. And these make it so that you can just, you know, focus on the task at hand and just deal with what you're doing as far as making the proper connections and things like that. So these are pretty cool. And what they do is they pretty much you just squeeze them and they just lock in and they just separate the wire from the jacket. I mean, whether you're working on the outer jacket of a Romex like what we have here, I'll show you an example. So you just basically put it in there and you pull on it and you see how it just separated that, and then you're good to go. You know, it has a cutter down here, right? You can just stick it in there and cut the wire. You see there, very simple. And then if you're working with the wire itself, you can just put it in the wire and determine what length you need and just pull on it. You see how quickly it separates, and you're good to go. Nice and clean cut. You don't have to worry about putting the wire into the wrong setting and cutting off too much, or if you're working with stranded wire, a lot of times that becomes a headache, because if you cut too much, then you're pulling the strands on the wire and that could weaken the connection. So these are awesome. It even has a stop. I don't know if you could see that, this little stop here. So it even has a stop, and you can pretty much just put the wire in. Let me just cut this off so we can work with a clean piece. You can just put the wire in till it hits the stop, and then you have a consistent cut every single time. So, and the video is going to be short and sweet, but let me tell you something. These are great to have if you're just do, like, you know, small projects around the house as a homeowner, and you don't want to deal with having to figure out, well, what gauge am I working with, even though you should know that, but you don't want to have to worry about reading the proper gauge slot to cut the wire. You're up on a ladder. These things are so user friendly. I mean, look at this. All right, you put the, let me remove this stop here real quick. That was what was obstructing. You stick it in there, boom, and it just removes the wire. It's just that simple. All right, guys. Not sponsored by this company or anything like that, but you can look these up online and you can see anything that resembles this, and you're pretty much going to be getting the same thing. So give these a try. I'm sure you'll be very happy with the results. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.